Hello everyone, my name is Roxana Girju. I'm an associate professor of computational linguistics in the Department of Linguistics, LAS, also associated with computer science and Beckman Institute. So how are you today? I hope that not exhausted or confused, but happy and confident. So our interests, so my research group and my own interest will be in emotion and perception, and these are actually topics that have been widely researched in many actually areas such as this here. But we also believe that we can contribute to this as well, and collaborate with people from this area as well. So our focus is on going deep into this topic. What are emotions? How are they induced through various senses? How do we perceive them? And what are the best models, designs for the automatic analysis, extraction, and inference of emotions? And again, our contribution here would be on the large scale understanding and extraction from text, in particular social media. Another important component here is that human communication relies on a variety of senses which go beyond what we hear and what we see. So our goal is to re-examine ways to represent textual data to better make use of the information and make it available. And we want to do this by looking at the relationship between senses and emotions, meaning how emotions are encoded into multiple senses, again, through text in particular. And our approach is on large-scale emotion analysis in one language, as well as on a variety of other languages, across languages, using social media, social context explorations through social network representations, and robust extraction of social semantic knowledge structures for emotion analysis. And here we rely on our state-of-the-art multi-dimensional cluster analysis models, as well as causal modeling. So we also identified a number of applications we want to work on. We already started to work on some of these, but we are eager to start working on others, and of course we're looking for collaboration. So one such application would be health assessment. One main question we want to answer is what is the influence of emotions on body organs and on general health? And here we'll take into consideration different patterns of autonomic response that elicit different emotions. For example, we perceive an oncoming car, and because of this, this will actually generate a lot of changes in the body, such as heart pounding, hands trembling, which leads to a particular type of emotion, such as fear. And even this one, short-term and long-term, can affect other parts of the body as well. And we want to detect this automatically from large text collections. And here is another example of research that our colleagues from cognitive science did in 2013, how emotions affect health, meaning how emotions affect various parts of the body that are highlighted here in different colors. This actually work was done with human subjects who had to watch a particular video or set of videos, and those videos would elicit some emotions that will highlight some parts of the body. We want to do actually the same thing with text, but on a much larger, at a larger scale, also doing cross-linguistic and cross-culturally. And we are also, because we're linguists, are also, at least some of us, we are interested in gaining insight into linguistic expressions such as stiff neck, which actually means somebody who is very stubborn, and so on. Another application referred to marketing. We are interested in emotion evaluation in the context of some data and analytics markets, such as brand reputation management, and we want to do this in an ethical way, and call center operations. I do not have time to really go into the details of this. Another one would be personalized learning environments and automatic tutoring, which has to do with tailoring learning to individual needs, preferences, and aptitudes. We are interested in investigating and providing feedback to student emotion during learning. And we know that our values, beliefs, and emotional responses significantly impact our learning effectiveness. We also believe that we can contribute to the state-of-the-art in virtual reality, which is already known for doing very well on generating and inducing emotions, as well as using artificial synthesia and combining various senses to control human attention. And this actually, this word here, is exactly what the talk is about, how to perceive together. And last but not least, we want to focus on new perceptual environments for textual information. So my colleagues in computer vision and related areas remind me all the time that text is boring, and they are partially right. And we are going to look for new ways of efficient information transmission through alternative sensory channels going beyond visual and auditory, which will create more immersive, effective, and realistic context and content for the audience, which will help break cultural barriers, reach audiences with sensory disabilities, and foster learning and creativity. And one such example would be how to really design new sensory experiences of textual content in museums. Thank you.